Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to share a OneDrive folder with someone. To share OneDrive folder with someone, we have three methods for you. First method, share via OneDrive website. Go to the OneDrive online. Open OneDrive and make sure to sign in with your credentials. Right-click the folder. Select the folder you want to share and click Share. Enter email and set permissions. Type the recipient's email. Choose View or Edit Access. Then click Send. Next method, share from File Explorer. Open OneDrive folder. Go to your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Right-click the folder. Click OneDrive and hit Share. Copy the link and share. Choose Permissions, then click Copy Link to send it manually. Last method, share via OneDrive app. Open the OneDrive app. Launch the OneDrive desktop app. Select the folder and click Share. Locate your folder. Right-click and select Share. Generate the shareable link. Adjust permissions. Copy the link. Hit Copy again and send it via email or chat or any platforms, whatever you preferred. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.